Hi, so today I'm going to show you how I make my Cholent recipe. It's a Jewish meal that we eat on Saturday for lunch, and we start it on Friday just before sunset. I start off by using beans, which we call Cholent mix. They are a mix of kidney beans, white beans, and cranberry beans. To this I also add pearl barley and a meat called flanken. The flanken is a gristly type of meat. It has bones in it, and after boiling for so many hours, cooking for so many hours, it becomes soft like butter. To this mixture, I also have spices, brown sugar, and ketchup. So to a pre-sprayed Cholent pot or slow cooker, I add my pieces of flanken. Just lay them on the bottom. And then on top of that, I add my pre-checked beans and barley mixture. I just like to put some water in them and check them for dirt and stones. Rinse them a few times and then put them directly on top of the meat. And then right on top of this, I put my spice mixture, which is just garlic, paprika, salt, and pepper. I'm going to have my recipe following this description, so you can pause and take a screenshot. On top of this, I'm going to add my ketchup. I like more ketchup than most people, so yeah. It's a lot of ketchup. And then to this, for sweetness, I add brown sugar. You can add honey, but I like brown sugar. You can also add 2 large peeled potatoes and some soy sauce if you want. Top this with 6 cups of water. Turn on high for 2 hours, and then turn it down and let it cook overnight and serve it for lunch the next day. The aroma is amazing in the house. The following day you'll have soft beans, amazing soft meat that just melts in your mouth, and you'll please everyone. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.